For some, adventure is a dream. For you, it's just the beginning of the day. This isn't about escaping life. It's about discovering it together. It's not just a meal. It's the taste of togetherness. Here, in these untamed waters, you learn the art of living freely, where every splash tells a story, every laugh echoes through the heart of the ocean. You're not just walking beside each other. You're journeying through life, side by side, step by step, in a world that's yours to discover. This is where every journey brings you closer, and every destination is a backdrop to the memories you create together. So when you gaze upon these horizons, ask yourself, are we just passing through? Or are we becoming a part of something greater? Discover together. Dream together.